Let's move forward with another video of cloud computing जहाँ हम देखेंगे बेसिक्स ऑफ टाइप्स ऑफ क्लाउड्स. ओके सो टाइप्स ऑफ क्लाउड्स जो हमने पुराने पढ़े थे वो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सर्विसेज थे बट दिस टाइप्स ऑफ क्लाउड्स इज लाइक दैट द मेन क्लाउड दैट वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू यूज लाइक पब्लिक प्राइवेट एंड हाइब्रिड. ओके सो बिफोर दैट मैं कुछ आइडिया देना चाहता हूँ कि हम difference of the IIS pass and SAS for the older types of software that which is used. Okay, so for this image, like on premises, they provided this application for that. Uh, for the use cases for the IIS, we can just only use for this, right? They managed by their main Microsoft team. Like we are just going to use Azure, so they manage it by same for the Microsoft team, and then they giving the two types of that, and then this given by the they all the services by the Microsoft team will need to only use that software, nothing else. Okay, so this is the like difference of how we can just use all the things in their particular version. Okay, so yeah, for the public cloud, the cloud is set up in the public network that they will manage publicly, so they do not have any particular authorization, right? So publicly, they anyone can access their particular availability. The client have no access to underlying the infrastructure टच करने का कुछ उनके पास रूल्स एंड रेस्ट्रिक्शंस होता है तो they don't need to rely on that. Okay, so they're having most of the things like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud are having providing these things, and as well as IBM Cloud too. So that private cloud is like the particular organization that manage by their particular authorizations. Okay, the access are only in the organization network available to user from the organizations. User private cloud infrastructure and engine contains a subset of the public clouds and capabilities. Okay, so these are the like some private cloud like Azure Stack, Red Hat, OpenShift, VMware clouds. These are the like some private clouds. So next for the hybrid cloud, the hybrid cloud is like the working on same as the public and somehow for the private too. So yeah, a cloud set up in organization premises, but also connected to the public cloud. See, the workload can be separated between two clouds and sensitive data in organization premises, the public data in the public cloud, and they usually managed by the public cloud, but not always. Okay, so yeah, these are the like the hybrid cloud Azure Arc and AWS outposts. Okay, so like the most of the cloud providers are that these are the IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS and other services. Okay, so the main cloud provider, like these are the main cloud provider that which is going to use see the AWS having the top and the leadings of the challenges. So how this is the graph is showing for the uh, magic quadrant, the cloud infrastructure and platform services. This is known as magic quadrant. So like some of the challenging that Tencent Cloud and IBM and Huawei Cloud data which challenges for the there, and Alibaba Cloud are also there for the Oracle too, and the Google, Microsoft, and AWS having the leaders are all going to in higher approaches. AWS and higher to higher for this approaches. So this is the cloud architecture. So how I'll just need to. This is the cloud architecture for the Azure. We will go into this architecture in our main application. So yeah, so this is like some of the app services which is using for the web app and small Python and functions application that which is used to use for that. These are the VMs that which is gonna the NSG. NSG is that this is the security part. This is the gateway that which is passing for the app services too. Okay, so the VM also as added for inventory app for the VM services, and NSG is the peering that for the authentication. There is a Redis server too, that which is one of this, and Azure SQL for the parallelly managing and storage account. We can use as a storage as well as for the cloud advantage that the Azure provided, and the function app that Cosmos DB that which is maintained by that. Okay, so these are the things जो ये चीज हम पूरा क्लियरली जब समझेंगे, बट हम एक एक पॉइंट को ब्रेक करके समझेंगे. दिस इज द प्राइमरी, दिस आर द सेकेंडरी थिंग्स. ओके, सो या, so the cloud provider growth, but yeah, I can say the Azure is the most cloud providing. मैंने कुछ हिस्ट्रीज के अकॉर्डिंग मैंने ये बताया कि अभी 2023 से 24 में ग्रोथ जिसका ज्यादा हो रहा है, एट विच इज Azure, राइट? सो which is beneficiary, and yeah, so AWS are also the leading part for that, but the core purpose of the last 2 years having for the Azure winning and the Google too. Yeah, so this all about the video of the types of cloud and some providers, and for the cloud architecture. If you want to go through more about that, then you can just go through in Geeks for Geeks as a sources that which is helpful for you. Well, so thank you so much for watching this video.